Hey, this is Brother Rudder from Rudder Mills. I want to talk to you today about hit and run accidents. By that I mean, what happens when somebody runs into you or your car and then flees the scene? Whose insurance is going to pay for that? Well, many times, believe it or not, the police are able to identify hit and run drivers. Sometimes there's witnesses or other evidence, or you're able to give the police a little bit of identification that they could use to investigate and find the person. When that happens, the hit and run defendant's insurance policy is likely to be first, meaning it would pay for your damages. Now, your own insurance or the insurance of the car you're in could also come into play, and that can happen in two different ways. First, if they find the hit and run driver and that person does not have enough insurance, your own insurance or the insurance of the car you're in case you're a passenger, may be used to supplement the insurance of the defendant. That's important to know because even though you may not realize it, you've been paying, if you've been paying for auto insurance, for uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage. That's something required by Virginia law, and it's just like what it says. If the defendant is uninsured, has no insurance, or underinsured, meaning they don't have enough, you can use your own policy to supplement to help pay for your damages. Now, nobody likes to use their own insurance, but you're paying for that coverage, so talk to us about how to use that. The second way that your own insurance or the car you're in may come into play is if the defendant can't be found, so it's just like they're uninsured, or if we do find them, but their own insurance company says they were using their car for a criminal act or an intentional act for which their own auto insurance may not apply. There are all kinds of exclusions to coverage in an insurance policy, and sometimes a hit and run means that we can't count on the defendant's insurance. So we'd have to use your insurance or the car you're in. This can get tricky, it can get complicated, but we deal with it every day. We love figuring out these insurance issues to make sure there's as much money as possible for you and your family at the end of the day. So if you've been a victim of a hit and run, call us, let's talk it through and make sure that we maximize your insurance recovery. Thanks.